Hi everybody, back here at EMD Automotive. This is Paul. Just want to show what I'm doing today. So the DPF light was still on and I couldn't get the actual values to come up. So what I found is I had to look at the actual sensor. That's the sensor was in the car. Which is me just looking at that. That's the old one, the really old one. So in order for me to do my test, I gotta put the right one on. So that's the wrong one. This one here, wrong part number. That's a brand new one. See how it's white? Usually the black one is the one that came with the car. The black sticker one. And when you get an upgraded one, it becomes a white sticker. So that's the one that actually it's for the brand new one for this car. But that's the old one. What I've done, I've ring up VW Sydney, and VW Sydney, that number there doesn't exist for this VIN number. And it doesn't end there, it keeps going, it gets better and better. So that's the hose there, was for the sensor, and it's been torn apart, it's all broken, so I've got to take the hose off again and put a new one to run it through. No wonder nothing works. So I've got to get that done properly before I do any testing, because nothing works unless everything's it's reading properly, or the hose. Gonna repair the hose, get a new hose tomorrow. Yeah. Get done properly. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I'll post another video as I go. Thanks for watching. Thanks guys.